For this video, I will show you how to swap vocals in Riffusion AI. First, go ahead and log into your account. Once in, go to Songs section at the left panel. Now, just select the song you want to swap vocals. For here, I'm gonna play it first for you to know how it changes.
Coffee's cold, but I'm wide awake. It keeps tapping like it's saying my name.
Now, click on these three dots beside the song, choose Remix, and select Swap Vocals. Now you can swap it. For here, you can change the lyrics, the sound, and the details of the song. Once done, just go ahead and generate it. Now just wait for it to generate. After that, you can now play your song. I will play it so you'll see how it changes.
Midnight thoughts on the window pane. Rain keeps tapping like
Now I'll also play the other one.
phone in sound when silence speaks. Unclear memories will find me.
And as you can hear, the vocals swap in both generated songs. You can just go ahead and choose between those two generated ones to your liking. And that's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.